The delightful story of cooking. NatureCook Stovetop Ceramic Cookware. Healthy cooking derived from nature. NatureCook is made from the Earth's natural minerals and clay, with environmentally friendly Ecolon coating. NatureCook has excellent non-stick performance and is easy to clean. Innovative non-porous stovetop ceramic cookware. Extremely resistant to thermal shock and with low coefficient of expansion. Non-porous structure prevents contamination by foreign matters, such as soap, microbes, or bacteria. NatureCook can be used for cooking any type of dishes. Dual lids promote retention of moisture and regulates overflow. Supplies even and constant heat for better retention of flavor and nutrition. Retains heat to keep food warmer longer while serving. Bringing kitchens to life. Available in a variety of colors and designs that can beautify any kitchen. Sense of nature. NatureCook Ceramic Stovetop Cookware.